Let me try again. So, let's see if I can do it now. Let's see if I can put. Okay, deep sleep. Okay, let's see. Let's go back, see if that works. General setup. Maybe go like this. No, go back. General setup. Okay. No, that's not it. It's not in general setup. Let's try printer. No, it's not it. Let's see. General setup printer. Network. Okay, so you go back and then go down and then select network. And you let's see what options are there. Wi-Fi direct, network reset. No, I think that's the best one. WLAN Wi-Fi. Setup wizard. Okay, so you go okay. So it's searching SSID and it found it. So you go okay. Now it's gonna present the space to enter the password. So it's showing the first digit. So you go down for numbers. So the first number for the password is that, and then you go to the next digit in the password. Well, I call it password, but they call it the key. Okay, now I'm going to go up to get the letter E as an elephant. The next letter is W. So I have to go way up to the last few letters of the alphabet. I think that's it, W. And the last letter is, well, there's a few numbers left after the last letter. Is that the letter I? Yeah, that's what I want. And then the number 5. Oops. 5. Okay, then the number 4. Then the number 3. Then the number 2. And the number 1. Oops. There we go. And then you hit OK. Apply. Yes. Connecting. Connected. All right. So I got it in. Now what do I do? Okay, so I go in here. I was watching a video before this. I think this one.
With USAA Safe Pilot, I can save lives, drive safely.
With USAA Safe Pilot Miles, I can.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to
So this shows you how to. Oh.
235DW printer. Click on the OK button and it will take you to the setup mode. Now press this button until you see the network setting
That's what I did, but they went up instead of down.
and look for the Wi-Fi WLAN and press OK. Select Setup Wizard. It will search for the available
That's where if I did that and so forth. And
press OK button.
network key,
Password, just
that's where I entered the password.
for example, to enter
Okay, so I did that and I got it connected. Okay, let's see, configure. So I'm connected, and so the printer should show up here. This is, I'm installing the driver and software for it. So there it is. It found it, and it found the IP address. And let's see, I think I go next. Standard? I think I'm gonna go with standard. And then I think it detected that I had already installed the software, which consists of iPrint and scan and brother utilities and all these goodies. This is refresh so that they send you by mail the toner or the cartridge when it's low, but I'm not going to do that. I already got plenty of cartridges bought cheap, refurbished. So now let's see. Okay, downloading the an updated version of this iPrint and scan, which helps you print if you want to go this way. But the softwares that come with it should provide a way to print to it through Windows. Let's see. We could check to see maybe, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Okay, so let's see. So maybe, let's see, maybe we should refresh. I don't know. It should show up. I should see the brother there. Okay. It hasn't shown up yet. Maybe it'll show up after this program gets installed. Because right now this is another printer in the office, but the brother is not listed here yet. I don't see it. It should normally be listed here. Let's see. Oh, I guess I'll have to wait until this gets installed. But in the meantime, I'm sort of checking around. It says sleep. Before it was saying offline, so that's good. I can close this. I'll leave this open. I'm looking to see if it pops up. Maybe it's gonna pop up. Let's see if it pops up. If it shows up in this field. The printer going by the name brother. Maybe I could go like this. I don't see the brother listed there. Maybe I have to do something. It says installing. Maybe I should close. Let's Setup in progress. Oh, something's happening. Maybe we should move this over here and this over there. And this over here. Let's see what I don't know why it's taking so long. Maybe I have to close something. Close this. I don't need it. Close this. It's this one. Settings. What's this? Okay. So there's the program. Okay. I don't need this one. See, it's asleep. Maybe I should close this. Let's see. See if that helps installing the program. Because nothing is, it hasn't done anything. It looks like setup in progress. I don't know what's going on. And I can't cancel it. What if I hit add a printer? Oh, look, there's the brother. Nice. Oh, let's see if it shows up over here. It's installing something. Yeah, look at that. So what did I do? Well, I hit add printer right there. And so it got me, that helped me find the brother HL-L235DW. And instead of using the regular IP address, it uses another system of finding it. Maybe it's kind of a meta label. I don't know. Maybe this has its benefits. It allows a separation from IP addressing, so that the IP address can change, but the number won't. I don't know. You have successfully added it. Guess I can set it as the default printer, maybe. No, this is the printer software. Finally, So it should be there. Yeah, there it is, the printer. Should I create an account? I may have, but I forgot. I like to create accounts, but I don't see the benefit of creating the account. It only the convenience is for buying supplies. And it shows that it's got a new cartridge that's full. So it's kind of working to show how much ink there is. So I guess I could print and see if it works. I select maybe printer properties, and there's this, and see location and ports. Instead of using the IP address, which is something like this. Oops. Oh shoot. Let's see if I cancel. Printer properties. Ports. Yeah, here it is. It's using this WSD. It's a tremendous. Lots of digits. Looks like it's a hex code. And it ends in 1A16. WSD port. Brother, it's got the name brother on there. So I could hit should I say okay or what? No, should I say print test page? It comes out upside down. This looks kind of light. Well, maybe it's because it's gray. That's the one before. This is the one before. So the one before used an IP address, which has still got it, but this one is using a WSD address. That's the benefits over one or the other. Okay, so it worked. Let's see. Let's ask Copilot. Is that Copilot? Oh, here it is. So we can ask Copilot. What are the advantages of WSD port assignment over TCP address port for configuring printer ports and adding or managing printers in Windows. PC. In a Windows PC. In a Windows 10 PC. So, let's see. Advantages of the WSD port assignment. Automatic discovery and setup. WSD enables plug-and-play functionality for network printers. Windows can automatically detect and configure printers using WSD, reducing the need for manual IP address entry. Dynamic handling. Dynamic IP handling. WSD is more resilient to IP address changes. That is via DHCP. If a printer's IP changes, WSD can still locate it, whereas a TCP IP port would require manual reconfiguration. Simplified management. WSD abstracts the network details, making it easier for non-technical users to add and manage printers. It integrates well with Windows devices and printers interface. Secure and modern protocols. WSD uses SOAP over HTTPS, which can support secure communication. It is designed for modern network environments and supports device metadata, making it easier to identify and manage devices. Better integration with Windows services. WSD is a Microsoft-developed protocol and integrates tightly with Windows services like Windows Firewall, Device Stage, and Windows Update for driver support. Limitation of TCP/IP port assignment requires manual configuration. If the printer's IP changes, the port becomes invalid and printer fails until manually updated. Less user-friendly for non-technical. Doesn't support automatic discovery or metadata retrieval. When to use WSD versus TCP/IP. Scenario: home or small office. WSD. Enterprise environments with static IPs. Need for auto discovery and ease of use. Need for precise control over network settings. So do I need precise control over network settings? Maybe. Sometimes maybe I would need it. I don't know. But in this case, it worked well. So now let's go to this computer and add the printer. So I gotta go. Maybe I should close this. And maybe I should go to here and go to brother printer. Copy. Right click. Right click. Okay, copy. And then go to this PC and go in here and paste. And maybe I should close this and this and this and this and this. Now I should go to, let's see, it's installing. No, it's copying from the server. I kept the driver printer package and I'm installing utility on the server. So now I'm going to, let's see, I copied it from the server to my favorite spot for setups. I call it SS, and so not to be confused with the Nazi ice-like police, you could say, of the 1940s, early 40s. Okay, so now we're maybe late 30s. So I'm going to run the this program here, let's see, how big is it? I can't tell. Let's see, size. Oh, there it is, size. So it's very small. Well, compared to the this one below, that's the program, the driver and software package for the brother printer. So I'm going to double click on this one, which is supposed to uninstall the driver. And here's the tricky part. You have to select what printer it is. So it's a HL-L235. So you go to 235 DW. There it is. So you hit OK and it starts working, right? It's uninstalling the driver. See if it works. All right, it worked. Okay, now I can run the software component. Let's see. It shouldn't take as long as it took for that one, that print computer, because I had to so I go next. That's the first part. It's going to go through all these parts. Leave the English alone. So now it's doing the license agreement. Now the connection type. I'm gonna choose wireless or Wi-Fi. It's searching for the machine that I want to install on this computer, and it should come up, right? There it is. It came up. Select it. Go next. And standard. And next. And finish. Redirecting. What's it gonna show? So it's gonna try to get me to get a special offer. And this is an update, so I'm gonna update this software. So it's going to install the printer software. So it's doing a good job of downloading the new version of the program called iPrint and Scan. But I think I should close it. I should close everything I don't need. Let's see, I can close this. But I could open, let's see, control panel, right? And then I could go to printers and see what's going on. So it's not there yet. But let me install this first. Install, so it's gonna go like that for a while. Let's see how long it takes for this one to install. Yeah, it did this for a while. Setup in progress, installing. But what if I did this? Add printer. So I'm gonna look for, so there it is. That's the brother. HL-L235DW. So go next. So it's gonna set it up with WDS. So I'm doing two things at the same time. Okay. And it should show up there. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. See, there it is. Okay, finish. So it set it up as default printer. So if I, oh, it went away. Okay, now it's going to install. Oh, is this a license agreement? And it's doing something. It's kind of hidden. There, oh, look, there's something showing up. Pin to testing. Okay, it's saying it's asleep. I guess I could close it. So I could right click and select. Ooh. Right click and select printer properties. And so right there's the IP address that it's set for. But when I look at the ports, it's using WSD and a long code that ends in 65DC. And if I go to this machine and go to control panel, go to the same place that I'm seeing here, and right click printer properties in the port, I see that the WDS is different. I keep saying WDS. It's WSD. So here's the WSD for this machine. For this computer, it ends in 1A16. And here, it's a totally different number. It ends in 65DC. So it's kind of a floating number. But on both machines, the IP address is the same. Well, you can, by clicking General, you can see the oh no, this one doesn't even show the IP address. Very interesting. This one, let's see, when you go over here in the General, it does show the IP address. Oh. Interesting, huh? I guess, oh, that is the IP address. That's another way of writing the IP address. Right? Because I think that this might be 192, 168, 111. I don't know. No, I don't. Who knows what that is? But yeah, look at the difference. See, there's the IP address. There's a colon and then 80. So there's a colon and then 80. So that means that maybe this. Let's see if I go. Let's see if I go to Copilot. Is is TCP IP address 192.168.1.1. Somehow coded in the file. Oh, so that's the IPv6. How do you confirm each in the command prompt or in Windows shell? Okay, so I could go like this. Let's see, I gotta type CMD. I wonder if I should do it this way. So I can go ping 192.1. Oh shit. Backspace 1.168. Gosh, what's going on? 16.1.111. Let's see. Ping. Let's see what I have to do. What happens? So if I hit this, oh, ARP-A, there's 192.168.1.111. What is that? The physical address? Let's see if I can. Notepad. physical address. And then just like the MAC address, right? What about this one? Show neighbors. Damn. Foresee. Unreachable. Stale. Look at this one. It says it's stale. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. So this showing that the IP address has a MAC address, and then over here, which one this says stale? Okay, so I ran this command, and that shows me let's see, where is it? Stale here. Shows me that this physical MAC address, no, this is the IP6 address. Has that MAC address. So IP4 address is up here. IP4 address has the MAC address ending in beginning with 4C and ending in DA. Then I go over here, and this MAC address, oh no, here it is. The one that ends in DA, it has a MAC address ending in DA. Interesting. Okay. So anyway, I guess I could print a test page. And I sent so now it's printing. So this printer properties, it decided to use the IP4 address Well, this one decided to use the IP6 address. Is that right? And then when I ran the command, what command did I run? Yeah, I did ping for both of them. I don't know if that helped any.